cucumber blueberry salad, keeping it raw. So I've got 2 cups of cucumber, cut nice and small, and 2 cups very roughly of blueberries, half a cup of fresh mint, half a cup of green onions, and then this is the zest and the juice of 2 limes. Okay, mixing bowl there, as you can see. Gonna drop in the fresh mint, the lime juice, the lime zest, the green onion, a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and then optional if you want, just a little bit, well, as much as you like, of cayenne or a little chili powder. Little mix, job done. And there you go, very, very simple. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.